At 3D Print Academy, our goal is quality service.
I bought this resin printer at 3D Print Academy. I really like it. And as you can see, orange is my favorite color.
Out the window. Then I found 3D Print Academy. They didn't just show me settings, they taught me how to work the plastic.
My business was struggling because of print quality issues. After help from 3D Print Academy, my print success rate hit 100%.
This toolkit from 3D Print Academy is perfect for maintaining my printer.
Dad, this printer I just bought is amazing. I'm gonna tell all my friends about 3D Print Academy.
Bill, I looked in this store last week, but I discovered 3D Print Academy had a better deal. Let me tell you about them.
3D Print Academy has everything. We carry a full line of products, Ox. Try us out.
Marge, remember that 3D printer I told you about the other day? UPS just dropped it off. Come on over and help me unpack it.
If you're just getting started, this model is very beginner friendly. It comes mostly assembled and has automatic bed leveling.
Type this URL into your browser and take a look at our store.